If you want a fast and easy way to hide layers in Krita, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods you can use right away, the eye icon method and the isolate layer method. Whether you want to clean up your workspace, focus on one part of your artwork, or temporarily remove distractions from view, hiding layers in Krita is one of the most useful things to know. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more Krita tips and creative software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, let's look at the quickest method, which is using the eye icon. On the right side of your screen, find the Layers panel. This is where all of your artwork layers are listed, and each layer has its own controls. Look along the left edge of the layer row, and you'll see a small eye icon. That eye icon controls visibility. If the eye is on, the layer is visible on your canvas. If you click it once, the layer will hide immediately. You'll notice it disappears from view, but don't worry, it is not deleted. The layer is still there, it's just turned off visually. This is perfect when you want to compare different versions of your artwork, check line art without color, or remove anything distracting while you work. To bring the layer back, simply click the eye icon again. That instantly shows the layer on your canvas once more. It's a very simple toggle, but it saves a lot of time when you're managing multiple layers. Now let's move on to the second method, which is especially helpful when you want to focus on just one specific layer and hide everything else. In the Layers panel, right-click the layer you want to keep visible. A context menu will appear. From that menu, select Isolate Layer. When you do this, Krita will hide every other layer in the stack except for the one you selected. This is great when your project has a lot of layers and you need to concentrate on one piece without any visual clutter. For example, if you're painting a character and want to work only on the face, isolating the face layer lets you see exactly what you're editing without all the other elements getting in the way. It's also useful for checking details, making precise changes, and avoiding accidental edits to other parts of your project. If you ever want to return to the normal view, just exit the isolated state and your other layers will become visible again. So remember, if you just need to hide one layer, use the eye icon. If you want to hide everything except one layer, use Isolate Layer. Both methods are quick, both are easy, and both can make your workflow in Krita much smoother. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss the next software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.